Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin Camus at the AV-PAPI facilities in New Hampshire, and I handle airfield lighting cells across Latin America and Africa. In many occasions, commercial power is unreliable and fuel costs are getting extremely high. Also, availability is scarce for generators. Therefore, solar power systems is an easy, reliable, and self-contained solution for even the harshest of environments. AV-Light's LED-PAPI offers the industry's lower power consumption, making it an ideal approach lighting choice for solar applications. Our PAPI is also available in both permanent mounts and portable mounts, which my colleague Lori is going to be talking to you in the next video.